You guys, oh my god. You guys. The joy that I'm feeling right now is unexplainable. And all praises go to Almighty God for giving me the peace and the comfort that I pray for before I step out of this house this morning to go and sit my exam. I decided that I would not have share my process with you guys until I did what I needed to do. And this morning I decided that I was stepping out to attempt to do my road code exam. As you guys know that I have been studying to do my driving license, and of course the first step is to pass the road code. And I did my exam and I passed. You guys, I did my exam this morning 2 hours ago and I passed my exam.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Oh, hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Sarah, to see you. Say good morning.
Bye.
How are you? Sarah, I have to clip your fingernail. Oh my god. Don't get up. Sarah, say good morning.
Wagwan.
You guys, as you guys can see, Sarah, don't move, you're gonna get hurt.
Papa's not here.
Okay, what else?
We're going to school.
Okay.
And Sarah and me don't have our bags. We didn't have green juice.
It's already made, it's in the fridge. Sarah, don't move. Yesterday, Tyler and Sarah was playing, and Sarah ran her finger down Tyler's face and scratched him like a mad cat. So right now, Tyler have 2 scratches in the middle of his forehead.
One in the middle
In the middle of his face.
One here. And the second one, I don't see it.
It's done? Turn around, let me see.
I only see this one.
The other one is in the middle of here, look.
I don't see. I only see this one.
Okay, I see though, that's fine.
Maybe
so,
on the camera
I am cutting their fingernail because if she barely touch him and scratch him up like that. I don't allow my kids' fingernail to get long anyway. I cut them often. Anyway, you guys, with all that said, it's a brand new day. Time change here. So we're trying to adjust to... Tyler, don't do that. So we're trying to adjust to the time change. And yeah, Papa already left to work, as Tyler said. Yes.
Tyler put the cheek on here.
Tyler touching your cheek?
Yeah.
That's okay. Come, Ty, your turn. Ty, your turn, and leave your sister alone. So I'm about to go drop them to school. So have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. If you're going to school or going to work, stay loved, stay blessed, stay safe. Yes, Tyler, I'm talking. What do you say?
The first nail.
What do you say?
Excuse me.
What is it?
The first nail that you cut off, it went all over here. Ground there and fell on there.
Yes, it fell on the ground.
Yes. It fell on the couch.
It fell on the couch?
No.
Really?
Then it fell on the couch.
You getting up? Go. Of course you want to come in front of the camera. You want to see Faves?
Yeah.
You want Faves to see you?
Yeah.
You show Faves your nice hairstyle? She love when her hair coming too like this.
She says she's Diana.
She says she's Diana. She loves watching this girl on YouTube, this little girl called Diana, and Diana here always coming too. So whenever her hair is combing like this, she calls herself Diana. Sorry, Diana?
Yeah.
Why? Why you think you're Diana?
Diana have blonde hair.
That's true, Diana have blonde hair, but it doesn't matter.
Diana Junior. Diana Junior.
Mama, that is Roma.
And she said Tyler is Roma. Roma is the brother of Diana.
And who is Oliver?
It's Connor's Oliver.
Connor is Oliver. Say Connor is Oliver. Oliver is the little brother of Diana and Roma. And who is Mama?
It's teacher.
Say Mama is teacher.
And who is Dad?
Who is Papa?
I don't know. It's not work.
Papa is at work? Okay. You're gonna have a good day at school today?
Yeah.
You're gonna be?
Brave.
And be?
Kind.
And be?
Patient.
And be?
Brave.
Sorry, I already said brave.
Polite.
And be?
Brave.
You already said brave.
Okay.
And be?
Brave.
Okay. And be?
It's not Abby.
And?
Don't let anyone bully me.
And?
Be patient.
Very good.
I already said it.
That's okay. She gonna keep repeating the same thing. And? And? Eat all of your?
Lunch.
And feel it?
Yes.
Very good. That means takes a nap.
It's not for me.
Tell her don't take nap. Big boys don't take naps. Anyway, tell Fibs bye. We're out of here. Don't do that. Let your sister follow you. Say goodbye.
Adios.
See you guys.
Layla.
Layla.
À tout à l'heure.
A tutalo. A puta. I see you here. I see you.
What's that?
Ready to go to school?
Yes.
Yes, let's go. I love you. My big girl.
Mama.
Green juice, green juice. Green juice already making in the fridge. It's in the fridge. Let me go throw it out for you. You guys, oh my god. You guys. The joy that I'm feeling right now is unexplainable. And all praises go to Almighty God for giving me the peace and the comfort that I pray for before I step out of this house this morning to go and sit my exam. I decided that I would not have share my process with you guys until I did what I needed to do. And this morning I decided that I was stepping out to attempt to do my road code exam. As you guys know that I have been studying to do my driving license. Of course, the first step is to pass the road code. And I did my exam and I passed! You guys, I did my exam this morning 2 hours ago and I passed my exam. I did 3 mistakes out of 40 questions. I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself. Now on to the next step, sharing this news with you guys. Now it's time for me to head on the road and start doing practice driving so that I can get my license. So I am well on my way. The hardest part is done. And I feel so good. I feel so relieved. This part is behind me. Now let's go get this driver's license. Hey, hey, hey. You guys, I'm so happy. Y'all have no idea. But give thanks. And man, I'm just so grateful, you know. I'm just so grateful. And I have to say thanks to my teacher which is my professor. I met with her last week and she said, because I wasn't going to do the exam as yet. She said to me, Mel, I think you should do the exam this week because she's doing her motorbike license yesterday. So the plan was to do my license exam yesterday, the road code exam yesterday. But when I checked, I had an appointment yesterday, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna do it today. And I be brave and I said, Mel, you can do it. And babe encouraged me that, I know you got this, girl, let's book this appointment. And we did. And I went and I felt so much peace when I was leaving here this morning. Just before I stepped out, mine said, Mel, pray for peace, pray for calm, pray and ask God to help you to remember everything that you've studied. And I did a prayer before I left here this morning. And I stepped out and I went and I did that exam. And in the exam, I felt so much calm while doing it. I felt so much peace while doing it. And when I felt like I'm feeling too relaxed, I breathe and I just keep listening to the questions and I just keep answering those questions. And when I finished the exam and the man says, you passed, you did 3 mistakes. I'm like, what? Yes! So I have to come and share the news with you guys. Know that I've passed and I've done it, and I'm just so proud of myself. And thank you guys for all the congratulations, because you guys always show me so much love in every news, every bit that I share with you guys, regardless of the news is big or small on this journey called life. I enjoy sharing with you guys and I'll never stop sharing. It doesn't matter how busy I get, I'll always document my journey with my family in this thing called life. Love you guys, and I still have a long day ahead of me, but I'm gonna soak this in, soak in this success, and keep this big grin on my face throughout the rest of the day. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of the vlog. Bye. I've been so busy, it's crazy. I've been cooking, I went and picked up my kids, I bring Sarah to the park, I went and picked Tyler up from judo. I'm in the kitchen. I just want to show you guys something real quick. Say hello, babies.
Hi.
Alright, so I have shrimp that didn't cook as yet. I have pasta for the fam bam. I have veggies over here, mushroom and zucchini, and then in the oven I have chicken. Now I am actually making crepe so that this can go in the fridge real quick, so in 1 hour I can start making the crepes. What Tyler and Sarah don't know is that we have a surprise for them tonight. We have a surprise. Oh, the surprise is here. Hold on, hold on.
Close your eyes.
No, don't close your eyes. Go to the door. The surprise is coming. Come, Sarah. Come see the surprise. Hurry.
There's that.
Stay here. Stay here. Stay. Don't come. Oui. Ça va bien? Oui. T'as grandi. Sarah, what's that? Yeah, you happy? Thank you guys. Now they take over the auntie. Auntie's here. Tell her surprise. Didn't know she was coming. And then take her over. As the soon got to bed. Yeah. Ciseaux. Yeah. You need to look at my phone about the emails. Ciseaux. Deux. Ciseaux.
Yeah.
I don't know why you're not getting those. Yeah. First scissors. Yeah. First scissors. Yeah. First scissors. Cut one.
Tyler,
Yeah. First scissors.
Tyler, aujourd'hui tu étais dans une autre classe
Oui.
et demain pareil.
Oui.
Tu étais dans la classe à qui? Faut signer ça?
Oui.
Dans la classe à qui tu étais? C'est toute ta classe? Et ou c'est quelques-uns de ta classe qui sont avec nous?
Quelques-uns de ma classe. Moi.
Non, t'as pas gagné.
C'est le...
C'est moi qui ai gagné.
The boss. The boss. If you're the boss, put your hands up. Woot woot. The boss.
How proud is this husband?
Husband, proud, so much proud husband. This month is good for you. This year, 2022 is
Told you I
good.
declared mine.
Mhm.
I told you I declared mine.
Mhm. Your bucket list of the year
It's
starting
just
to get
checking off, done.
full. Check, check. All right. Well, it's only the first part that is done. Now the second part is coming, so let's see if we can tick it too.
We will tick it too.
Tick it too. No, she did the hardest part, the French part, the lesson part, and I'm so much proud of you.
Thank you, honey. He's so proud he can't stop spelling.
Yeah, I can't say I'm prouder than she is because when she called me, I can hear over the phone. You know when they tell you you smile over the phone that you can hear that? Trust me, I can hear and see the smile over the phone. I was so happy. I was in the meeting in the same time. I was like
My cheek is hurting me how I'm smiling all day. But
congratulations.
thank you.
We're gonna celebrate that.
Yeah, show them what we're gonna celebrate. We're ready to
The
celebrate.
glass.
Let's
save it.
celebrate.
I save it for tonight.
Anyway, you guys, it's the end of the night. The kids spend a long time with their auntie. It's 10 p.m. and they just went to bed. I just finished making a big set of crepe and I am going to relax. I deserve to sit down right now. So anyway, you guys, it was a joy sharing this wonderful news with you guys, and yeah, I'll continue to share all my
I want to
journey
see
with you.
thumbs up.
If they want to see a thumbs up, a
I
thumbs up for
want to
Mel.
see comments.
And I'll accept all the love and thank you guys in advance. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch one, keep up, and we're about to go spend some time with my sister. So we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
and of course babe sister is here, so it's gonna chat the night away. See, you know it's true.